In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find BankMobile branches and ATMs near you using the Allpoint network. Now, if you're not familiar with BankMobile, it's a digital-only bank that doesn't have traditional branches or its own ATMs. Instead, it partners with Allpoint, which has over 55,000 fee-free ATMs located in convenient places like CVS, Walgreens, and Target. So let's dive into how you can find these ATMs easily. First, you'll want to head over to the Allpoint Network's website. This is your gateway to finding those convenient ATMs scattered across various locations, providing a hassle-free banking experience. Once you're on the website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. You'll notice information sections, but what you're looking for is the map feature. Scroll down the web page and soon you'll find a map that serves as the main tool for your search. It's designed to be user-friendly and interactive, allowing you to zoom in and out as needed. This map is essential for your search, so get comfortable with its navigation features. Once you have the map in view, use the search box located typically at the top of the map. This is where you can type in your specific address or simply enter your zip code. By doing so, you narrow down the search to reveal only the ATMs that are closest to your current location. This feature not only saves you time, but ensures you're presented with the most relevant options for your needs. Next, you'll want to filter your search results to refine what you're looking for. The Allpoint website provides options to filter by surcharge-free ATMs or Allpoint Plus cash deposit ATMs. This step is particularly crucial if you're looking to avoid any fees or if you need to make a cash deposit, as it will directly affect the availability of services at each ATM. With your search now filtered and tailored to your needs, you can begin using the map effectively. Pan around, zoom in and out, and explore the pins on the map that indicate ATM locations. Clicking on these pins will reveal more detailed information about each location. As you select different pins, pay attention to the left side of the map. Here you will find detailed information about the specific ATM or branch, including the exact location and additional services offered if applicable. This information helps ensure that you choose an ATM that not only is nearby, but also meets any specific requirements you might have. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently find BankMobile's ATM locations using the Allpoint network, making your banking experience smoother and more convenient. Whether it's withdrawing cash or making a deposit, now you know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching and happy banking!